Good afternoon, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. I'm at the second international conference on green hydrogen. This is under the vision of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. आज सुबह morning में this was inaugurated by Hardeep Puri ji, the Petroleum Natural Gas Minister, and the Renewable Energy Minister Dr. Prahlad Joshi. We also had the Secretary Bhupinder Balla ji. We are at the stall of Welspun Energy. So we have Mr. Jha with us. He will take us through his company, what does Welspun, how they contribute to this space, sir.
Yeah, hello everyone. Nandan Jha this side from Welspun New Energy. So basically, as you know, Welspun Group, majorly people know it for its production of towels and bed sheets and all such things, clothing, accessories. So, and talking about Welspun, it's a $5 billion US company, US dollars, $5 billion US dollars company. And basically, right now we have entered into a business of renewable energy in the year of 2022. Prior to this, we were in the renewable energy business since 2010 to 2016 and was the first successful developer of the country. And post that, once again we have revived our business in this stage, and now we are on the way with the renewable energy business in terms of solar, wind and green hydrogen. Right now, looking to the mission of green hydrogen under the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi, we are on the way. We have won the SECI bid of 20,000 metric ton production of green hydrogen and ammonia for SECI bid in Kandla and Gujarat. For the same purpose, we have been working on the acquisition of lands in different states of the countries like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Odisha. With reference to this, we will be further developing RE parks with solar and wind, supporting our green hydrogen and ammonia production. And further, we are going ahead with the discussion with the off-takers to take the generated green ammonia and hydrogen for further usage. Further, future plans of the team is to develop RE as well as green hydrogen throughout the country in various parts and fulfill the dream of our net zero carbon emission of 2047. Within Welspun, we have a net carbon zero emission target of 2030, and for that also we are working and taking most of our energy that is being produced through RE development. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much.
So I would just add to this, this exhibition is there in hall number 14. This is open on 11th, 12th and 13th. This is happening at Bharat Mandapam, and at Bharat Mandapam there are a lot of technical sessions going on throughout the day. This is the 3-day event. So anybody who's watching this video and want to come and visit their stall, and there's so many other companies who are there, so they should visit here and you can always stay connected. Thank you. This is Sanjay Agarwal.
Thank you, sir.